In this video, we will focus on the preview area buttons, which can be found in the bottom of the preview window. First, take note that as I switch between the different types of documents, the buttons available to me changes as well. This is important as the buttons gives us different functionality depending on the document type. Let's focus on emails. When an email is selected, we have the following buttons. View Edit opens the email in your default email program. Once an email is opened, you can then reply or forward directly from there. The View Edit button is common to all document types and does exactly what it states. It will allow you to either view or edit any document. Let's use a Word document as an example. I will select my document and then click View Edit. This document will then open in the associated software, in this case MS Word. I can now amend the document as needed, and once done, I will save and close. In the background, the EDMS system has noted my change and created a new version of my document. This was then saved back to my case. The original document has been marked as an archived version and is still accessible to you in the archived area. When I now select my document in the case browser, I can see the preview is updated to show my changes. Let's go back to the email. Next we have the Delete button, which will delete the document from your case. Use this with caution. We then have the Print button, which will print the email. Finally, we have the Download Copy button. It's important to understand the difference between View Edit and Download Copy. The View Edit button opens the document in the relevant software, but keeps the link to the DMS page. So any edits made to the document will be saved back into your case. Download Copy downloads a separate copy of the document and keeps no link to the DMS page. It's a separate copy that is created and saved on your local drive. Let's look at the PDF options. All the buttons are the same except for one. The View as Text button displays the PDF text layer. When a PDF document is received, it undergoes an OCR process, whereafter a text layer is created. This button then will display the associated text layer. Word documents have two unique buttons associated to them. The buttons are Sign PDF and Create PDF. The Create PDF button will create a PDF version of your Word document and then save this back to your case. When clicked, you will need to set some parameters before the PDF is created. First, you need to define the file name. This can be kept as the default file name, or you can set this yourself by selecting this second option and adding the new file name here. Next, you can set the document category by either using the same category as the Word document or assigning a new category. If your Word document includes track changes, this can be displayed by ticking the Markups in black and white tick box or the Show Sidebars for Markups button. The Sign PDF button is useful as an official sign-off step on a document. This button will perform several actions to your Word document. The first action is that the EDMS will add an official letterhead to your document. When you click on this button, you will see a list of available letterheads. When a letterhead is chosen, it will overlay that onto your document. The signed PDF will also insert a user's signature into the document at preset points. This is the equivalent to a responsible person signing a letter. Note that this will only occur if the necessary setup has been performed. The last action that this button does is that it converts the document to a PDF format. Let me demonstrate. I will choose my Word document and then click on Sign PDF. Now I need to choose the relevant letterhead I wish to have applied. As seen before, we now need to set some parameters before the PDF can be created. Add in the necessary and click on OK to finalize. A PDF version will then be created. Let's look at the end result. Here I can see that a PDF version of my document has been created and my letterhead has been applied. Additionally, I can see that a signature has been added, signing off this document.